and let you know what is happening. This function in Xanno, what it does, it it's one thing that I really like about it. It uses the JSON response and the JSON definition that I was able to find allows us to dynamically make custom fields, not only on the type, but with the enums that are involved. All of this script or stack, what it does, so it takes an entire JSON, and so if this has full objects, but it is about, I think, 1,000 plus lines. And as a result of this, we created 911 custom fields. And this is what I was talking about, the enum values here. So certain custom fields will have enum values. And so this is just a function endpoint that gets the information in JSON and then is going to allow us to post the values that we get into those custom fields dynamically. And this is the function stack that allows us to create the custom fields in GoHighLevel. So I broke this down into two for each loops. One is if it has options, like if it has enums, versus if it's like a text or an integer where there's no options, is just a single value. The cool thing about building this, and of course, this is to delete function stacks, are the custom fields. And of course, this is like right here, 911 custom fields that were created. And the naming convention here was all done automatically. The naming convention, and then the data types, and then the options here. This has the same option is because there are multiple custom fields based on just full options. If there's only one, then it's going to just fill that out. So yeah, it took a while to get all of this up and written and refining to dynamically, programmatically create custom fields based on the JSON schema, what we receive. This right here, the information that it has or doesn't. But what was the key was the JSON definition that I was able to find. And I wish they would have shared this with us. It would have quickened the development process. But anyways, this was the key to be able to, as opposed to handwriting these, we were able to retrieve them dynamically and build out on this. And I click into here. So these, let me scroll down. So this is what we generated from all of those different function stacks to give us the naming convention with what if they passed a 6, we can say, hey, that's MPH. And then the value, we would just post MPH. And then I use this enum array when I was creating the custom fields. And of course, this will be used to update the value in GHL to say, okay, so this custom fields has a value of if this number, whatever they sent us in the JSON payload, we can dynamically update what we need for